Hello internet, wish you a very good morning to all of you. So we are heading Tawang. We have almost reached Bhairabkunda, and here we don't have water, so we'll go heading towards Bhairabkunda, and we will have our breakfast with rice, and after that we will be going towards Tawang as far as we can. And here, this is Alu.
Hi.
And he too has a YouTube channel newly opened, Pang Pung Life channel's name. So guys, his channel is not completely created, but as we get internet, then we will create it and do visit his channel also. Thank you guys. So guys, this was our bed for yesterday night. And here our cycles we have kept. That is the road. We are always making video. And look there, those are the hills, mountains of Bhairabkunda. Wow, so steep mountain over there. Wow, beautiful mountains. And here, this is road. This is the road towards Bhairabkunda, and we set our tent here. Not tent, our bed. Today we'll be exploring Bhairabkunda. Bhairabkunda is a very beautiful place nearby Bhutan border and Arunachal Pradesh border, and it is located in Udalguri district. So keep watching, guys. There are so much beautiful scenes. Okay. So guys, now we are going to see the Dwijiri Waterfall. Here there is Dwijiri. Water dam it was, yeah, actually. Again we will be going there. What is there making sound, roaring sound of the water? How? Isn't it good, man? Current हुए 이도 댐 후보 당월 댐.
Karing mano gini dah.
벌써 더 올라터. 어쨌든 여기부터. Oh, my ass is spinning now. All my ass is spinning. And the knee knuckles, knee joints are paining. Oh my. Come on. Flowers now, beautiful. Wow, nice. Nice guys, nice. Do visit this place. Here is toilet this side for ladies. And look guys, this is Dwijiri Waterfall. Wow, very nice. Even down there is same waterfall like this, which is made by human beings. These are sour fruits. You can have it. Oh my god! There is so many seating places there for sitting, for enjoyment. Now we will leave this place. So do visit this place. It's not that bad. It's very good. Huge structure of dam is here. You can see. So huge dam. So for now, thank you.